What I like most about this house is the peaceful tranquility that comes along with it. Hi, I'm Gwen Mariani of the Go With Gwen Group at eXp Realty, and this is just one of my listings in Nauvoo Station, and as I said, offers peace and tranquility because there's no neighbors located behind you. In fact, it's actually a common area with a walking trail back there, so you will never have anybody building, and you'll never have any two-story properties with windows looking down into your yard when you're back here sunbathing. So let's take a quick peek at this amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This 2439 square foot house has so much to offer. Its awesome open concept floor plan offers tons of space. As you can see, it also has plantation shutters throughout the entire home, which offer lots of light and also privacy when it's needed. The kitchen has a great eat-in nook that overlooks the backyard. It also offers a gas stove and cooktop, a walk-in pantry, comes with an RO system and water softener. This den area could be used as a formal dining room or a formal living room. Another nice perk to this house is the high 10-foot ceilings and somewhat split floor plan. The master is on one side and the other bedrooms are actually down this hallway, so they're not right on top of each other. The master bedroom, which has an attached ensuite, is huge. Actually a nice oversized room that also overlooks the backyard. Plenty of room for a king-size bed in here. And as I mentioned, a large ensuite with a soaking tub, dual sinks, and a huge walk-in closet. The hallway from the master is the laundry room with great storage area, as well as the exit and entrance to one of the garages, the 2-car bay. An awesome powder room. Which is actually a full bath with a shower. And then the 2 additional bedrooms, which are both great sized, and again, come along with those plantation shutters with lots of light. The 2-bay car garage has lots of storage space. Overhead already installed. There's plenty of room to add additional cabinets if you so desired. And as I mentioned earlier, does come with water softener. The 3rd car bay is actually accessed via the front yard. It has plenty of room for storage, an epoxy floor already installed, and plantation shutters for lots of privacy in here of the 2- and 3-car garage. We got to see earlier a very low maintenance yard. It offers lots of peace and tranquility and no neighbors behind you. It also comes with a great covered patio, perfect for installing a barbecue or even a hot tub. This entire home and yard have been meticulously cared for. It's a low maintenance yard, so not a lot of work, in a great neighborhood, very quiet, very tranquil. So this home, which is just over 2,400 square feet, is listed at $625. If you're interested, please visit my website at gowithgwen.com or you can contact me via text. My contact information is at the end of this video. If you're interested in more information in any other listings or any other listings that the team has to offer, please again visit my website, gowithgwen.com. And as always, go with Gwen.